Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix or how to solve the Facebook notification not working problem. So if you guys want to go ahead and solve that, your Facebook application is basically not showing any of those notifications. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and double check over onto our settings of the Facebook application. So launch the Facebook application. I want you to tap on this option over on your menus. Next let's tap on settings and privacy, and then let's tap on settings right here. Next I want you to scroll down until you see notifications under your preferences category, and then make sure that you have all of these enabled. Now, you gotta go ahead and go through each and every one of these notifications that you receive. You can also go ahead and tap on this first one, and you can also go ahead and enable notifications so that you can receive push notifications from the application of Facebook itself. Now do the same with other options over here, and that should basically solve your issue. You should also go ahead and tap on where you receive your notifications and tap on push notifications, and also turn this on in the cases you have it turned off. If you do have this turned off, you won't receive any notifications, but if you want to go ahead and receive notifications, all we need to do is to turn on push notifications. Next, the last thing we should also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch the settings application of our device. Next, let's scroll down until we see the notification options. I want you to locate the Facebook application. Also, we'll just go in and locate where the Facebook application is, and I want you to go ahead and tap on that and allow notifications in the cases you have it set off. Also have these alerts checked out, the sounds and badges, so that you could all the way receive all of those notifications without any of those problems anymore. Now, that is all for this video guys. Thank you always for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.